Good afternoon, cadets. Today, in the grammar session, we are going to take up the topic subject verb concord. To use any language effectively, it is important to be familiar with grammatical rules and structure. Yeah, you should not get stuck because of grammar rules and structures, but definitely you should know the usage of the rules and structures. The subject verb concord is one of the basic rules. It's very important to know it that we have in any language. When it comes to English language, these rules you can follow. Let's go rule wise. Rule number one, the verb and subject must agree in number, singular or plural. He plays football. So, as you know, third person singular, it will take s or es in verb. So he, she, it is a third person. So he plays football. But when it comes to they play football. So there is a s in a singular, third person singular, but when it comes to third person plural, it is the main verb. This means that if the subject is singular, the verb would be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb should be also plural. So this is a very important thing. We usually don't add s or es while dealing with third person singular. So the verb and subject must agree in number, and we should see whether it is singular or plural. Yes, for the better understanding, we have the person table before you, and the person table is first person singular is I, plural is we. Second person singular is you, one person can be you, and when second person plural, we say you, means I'll point out to the whole class and you all should do the work. Then it becomes plural. So in second person, you should be careful. A single person can be you, and when the whole group is referred to, also it can be you. Third person is he, she, it, and one single name. He, she, it, and if it is Geeta, Ram, Rahul, they are all singular. So the s or es is added, and in plural, they and names. They and more than one name. Geeta and Sita walk. Ram walks, but Geeta and Sita walks. So a singular subject needs singular verb. A plural subject needs plural verb. Rule number two, the number of subject, singular or plural, will not change due to words or phrase in between the subject and the verb. This has to be understood once again. The number of subject, whether it is singular or plural, will not change due to words or phrases in between the subject and verb. One of the glasses is empty. Just look at the sentence. Because if you say glasses and then you feel that it should have been are, it is not so. One of the glasses is empty. Here, since the subject is one, the verb should be is. So many of us get confused and they may say, one of the glasses are empty. But here the subject is singular. Only we are referring about so many glasses are there. In that, one glass is empty. So you have to understand this rule well. Next one, the bouquet of red roses smells so sweet. Since bouquet is subject and not roses, the word should be smells and not smell. The second example also you can see. The bouquet smells sweet. Just they have clarified that it is a bouquet of red roses. It can be of any other flowers. But here specifically they have told the bouquet of red roses smells so sweet because bouquet is subject and not roses. Verb should be smells and not smell. Subject, third rule, subjects that are joined by and. So if the subjects are joined by the word and in a sentence, use plural verb. Subjects that are joined by either or, neither nor, use a single verb. Radha and Meena are coming. We are not saying Radha and Meena is coming because the subjects are joined by and. Neither Akshay nor Rohit is coming today. So when it is either or neither nor, we use singular verb. My dad or my mom is arriving today. Rule number 4. The verb in a sentence containing or, either or, neither nor agrees with noun or pronoun closest in it. So the verb in a sentence containing or, either or, neither nor agrees with noun or pronoun closest to it. Neither the shoes nor the bag matches the dress. So there are shoes also, bag also, but the closest is bag. Here bag is closest to the verb, hence matches. Neither the bag nor the shoe match the dress. So when we have interchanged bag and shoe, just see the difference in the sentence. Here shoe is closest to the verb, hence match. So the verb in a sentence containing or, either or, neither nor agrees with the noun or pronoun closest to it. Rule number 5. When the subject is followed by words such as well as, along with, besides, not, etc., ignore them and use singular verb if the subject is singular. With examples, we can understand better. Matt, as well as his dog, is expected shortly. So, if you look at the sentence, Matt also is expected, dog also is expected. But what does the rule say? Scroll it down. Scroll, show us the rule once again. Rule number 5. So, when the subject is followed, if words like as well as, along with, besides is there, ignore them. Only use singular verb if the subject is singular. So Matt as well as his dog is expected shortly. Pratik along with his brother is going to school. Two people are going, but there is a as well as and yeah. Rule number 6. In sentence that begin with here, there, the true subject usually follows the verb. Here are the chocolates. In the sentence that begin with here, there, the true subject usually follows the verb. There is a big puddle on the road. Rule number 7. In the sentences that include sums of money, if money is included, periods of time is included, or distance is there, use singular verb. 500 rupees are a big or heavy price to pay? No. 500 rupees is, because the sum of amount is a high price to pay. 62 years is the minimum age of retirement, that is age. 10 kilometers are too far to walk? No. 10 kilometers is too far to walk. Rule number 8. In case of the words such as lot of, all, some, etc., in a sentence, pay attention to the noun after of. These are all rules you can keep in your mind. But one thing I request you as your English teacher of English, that don't overthink about the rules, then always you will hesitate to speak. Let your friend who knows better English correct you. You may go wrong, but don't think now I have to think always about subject concord, whether I am putting it correct or not. Don't think like that. Use it. But if you can, keep it in your mind. In case of words such as lot of, all, some, etc. in a sentence, pay attention to the noun after of. If noun after of is singular, then use singular verb. If plural, use a plural verb. All of the cake is gone. So all is there, but they have already told us that after of, if it is singular verb, that is cake, then it should be singular, that is. All of the cake are gone, we are not saying. We are saying all of the cake is gone because after of cake is singular. Next, all of the cakes are gone. Now you can see after of cakes, plural. That is why we have added are. A lot of cake is gone. A lot of the cakes are gone. Some of the cake is gone. Some of the cakes are gone. Rule number 9. In case of collective nouns, group, population, family, you know that there are 5 types of nouns, and collective noun is one of the noun. Class, army, assembly, group, population, family, all these are collective nouns. The verb can be singular or plural depending on their use in the sentence. So now comes the issue. Most of my family is here or are here. Half of the population was against the bill or were against the bill. If you consider the population as one, then it will be was. But if you consider that it's a different individuals and everybody had an opinion, then it becomes the population is plural. It depends. That is why the rule is saying in case of the collective noun such as group, population, family in a sentence, the verb can be singular or plural depending on their use in the sentence. So you have to remember that. Rule number 10. Nouns such as mathematics, physics, news, while plural in form, are singular in meaning and use singular verbs. So, when we say physics, we can't say physics are a very hard subject. Can you say like that? Physics means it is one subject, like mathematics. So everything comes in mathematics, arithmetic, algebra, everything, geometry. So, but it is mathematics is very difficult for some people. News is very saddening. Rule number 11. In sentences that express a wish, a request, or contrary to fact, the word were is used instead of was. In sentences that express a wish, a request, contrary to fact, that is opposite to the fact, the word were is used instead of was. I wish my sister were here. That is a imaginative situation wherein the sister is not there. Aditya requested that she raise her voice. A glass. So now some solved examples for you on the subject verb concord. It's a very important topic even in competitive exams. Also, it is there from ninth onwards. This CBSE has in grammar item the topic subject verb concord. Choose the correct subject verb combination in the sentences below. So I give you some time to solve it and then one of the cadet can answer it. Cadet Rishikeshwara, you can answer the questions. The lady in the car looks like your mother.
The lady in the car looks like your mother.
Yeah. Can you specify what was the rule?
The rule was that if there is a singular subject, ma'am, then
Very,
the verb
very
will be, yes, will be added to the verb.
okay. Most of the milk are gone.
Most of the milk is gone, ma'am.
Okay. One of the flowers have wilted.
Has, ma'am. One of the flowers has wilted.
Yeah, one we are referring to the one, not flowers. Either Ram or Sham are coming today.
Is.
Is
Either Ram or Sham is coming today.
that was very. Here are the newspaper.
Here is the newspaper.
Okay. The group of dancers are here.
The group of dancers is here.
Just scroll down the rule, bring it down. No rule. Solutions name. Yeah. Not this one, the population wala rule. Yeah. So, in case of collective nouns such as groups, population, family, the verb can be singular or plural depending on the sentence. That's why we have said the answer. Okay, next one. Yeah, let's go back to the exercise. Yeah. Next one is the group, the civics are my favorite subject.
Civics is my favorite subject.
Yeah, this is the mathematics subject and all we have done. That is the rule. Thank you, Rishikeshwara. Now let's once again just revise rules so that you recollect whatever has been done in the class today. Rule number 1. The verb and subject must agree in number. This means if the subject is singular, verb should be singular, and if the subject is plural, the verb should be plural. He plays football, singular. They play football, plural. So a beautiful person table is also given. You can understand the person table better. First person, I, singular, plural we. Second person, you, singular, plural also you. Third person, he, she, it, single name is singular, plural is they and names. Rule number 2. The number of the subject, singular or plural, will not change to the word phrases in between the subject and the verb. This is better demonstrated by the example. One of the glasses is empty. You may be carried away that glasses are there, definitely it should be are. But since the subject is one, the verb should be is. The bouquet of red roses smells so sweet. Since bouquet is the subject and not roses, verb should be smells and not smell. Third rule, subjects that are joined by and in a sentence use plural verb. Subject that are joined by either or, neither nor use singular verb. Radha and Meera are coming home. Neither Akshay nor Rohit is coming home. My dad nor my mother or my mother is arriving today. That is rule number 3. Rule number 4, the verb in a sentence containing or, either or, neither nor agrees with noun or pronoun closest to it. Neither the shoes nor the bag matches the dress. So, bag is the closest verb. Neither the bag nor the shoe match the dress. Here, shoe is closest to the verb. Rule number 5. When the subject is followed by words such as well as, along with, besides, not, etc., ignore them. Only use singular verb if the subject is singular. Don't look for these words. Oh, these words means two people are there. Just to search for the singular uh, verb is if it is then it is singular. Just don't get carried away with, along with, besides, or words like as well as. Example, Matt as well as his dog is expected shortly. Pratik along with his brother is going to school. In sentences that begin with here, there, the true subject usually follows the verb. Here are the chocolates. There is a big puddle on the roof. Rule number 7. The sentences that include sums of money, periods of time, and distances use only singular verb. 500 rupees is a big price to pay. 62 years is the minimum age of retirement. 10 kilometers is too far to walk. Rule number 8. In case of words such as a lot of, all, some in a sentence, pay attention to the noun after of. Just look at after of what is the subject, whether it is singular or plural. Very beautiful examples have been given. All of the cake is gone. All of the cakes are gone. A lot of the cake is gone. A lot of cakes are gone. Some of the cake is gone. Some of the cakes are gone. So just after of, whatever is the subject, singular or plural, act accordingly and put is, are, was, were, whatever required. Rule number 9. In case of collective nouns, group, population, family, the verb can be singular or plural depending on the use. There was a problem in the family. The members of the family were divided in their opinion. Just I'm telling you a different sentence. There was a problem in the family. So some people may favor it, some people will oppose. Then the family members are divided. So here we will use the members of the family were divided on their opinion, because people may oppose, no, this is not correct. Some may say, no, no, this is correct. So most of my family is here or are here. Half of the population was against the bill, were against the bill. Rule number 10. Nouns such as mathematics, physics, civics, news, while plural in form, but are singular in meaning. Mathematics is a very difficult subject for some people. News is very saddening. 11th rule. In sentences that express a wish, request, or contrary to fact, the word were is used instead of was. Examples: I wish my sister were here. Aditya requested that she raise her glass. So that's all for the day.